Did you know that cell phones are the #1 cause of exam violations? In fact, more than 70% of all violations involve secondary devices. In this quick tip, we'll walk through how Honorlock's detection features help keep exams fair and secure. Here's what we'll cover. First, we'll discuss why secondary devices are a growing concern. Then we'll touch on how our detection tools actually work. And lastly, we'll review how our toolkit helps protect exam integrity. Let's face it. Cell phones are everywhere, and during exams, they're often used to search for answers, ask AI tools for help, or even connect with voice assistants like Siri or Alexa. That's why we offer the #1 cell phone detection toolkit, designed specifically to stop these attempts before they impact your exam. Our cell phone detection toolkit includes 4 key components: multi-device detection, which reveals when secondary devices are in use; Apple handoff detection, which catches Apple devices sharing content; AI monitoring that is constantly scanning for suspicious activity; and live proctors who step in to confirm issues in real time. Together, they create a strong defense against the biggest exam threat today. Let's start with multi-device detection. When a test taker uses their phone to search for exam questions on monitored web sources, Honorlock sends a hidden audio watermark through their device that is captured in the session recordings. The sound is flagged, prompting a proctor to assess and validate the violation. You'll see what device was used, which browser, and the exact site accessed. Clear, direct evidence, no guesswork needed. Now, let's talk about Apple handoff detection. Mac users can quickly pass information between their iPhone, iPad, and MacBook. That's handy in everyday life. But a problem during exams. Our system is the only one that detects Apple handoff activity. So how does it work? Our AI spots the Apple handoff icon, and our proctors step in when needed to get test takers back on track. Our AI is trained to watch for signs of secondary device use throughout the exam. If a mobile device is detected, our AI instantly alerts a live proctor to investigate. And it doesn't stop there. AI-flagged sessions go to a certified proctor for review before they ever appear in your review queue. This means fewer false positives, more accurate reporting, and confidence in your results. So why does this matter? Multi-device detection, Apple handoff, AI monitoring, and human-verified flags don't just stop exam misconduct. They give you confidence in your results, save you time, and protect exam integrity. Thanks for joining this quick tip video. Enable your exam in Honorlock to start utilizing the #1 cell phone detection toolkit. Secure your testing environment and safeguard exam content today.